Day two. So we're going to be drilling the holes for the lock nuts. Sorry I didn't show you, but put some layout fluid on here and then just scribe my line. We're going to be drilling this one next. I already lubed it up. Sorry I forgot to show all the setup. See if we can get you guys a good shot. Anyway, this is my drill press that I've modified. It's got a treadmill motor on here. So this is just a Harbor Freight shitty drill press that was actually marked down. It was on clearance. So I took the old AC just induction motor off. It had no power on it. Got one of these link belts. Took out this middle, because it did, you had two belts in here, and that's how you switch the speed. So took that out, welded it up to a plate, and I just attached it to the old motor's attachment. So still tension's the same, I just push it out. And then it's running through this router speed controller, and then just a rectifier, bridge rectifier, that converts the AC coming out of this into DC for the motor, and it has tons of power. And I can also just change on the fly how much speed. We're going to go up to 7/16. That was 1/4. Alright, swapped out the drill bit. This will be the final size. I just wanted to pilot drill it, so we weren't trying to push the wedge through. Just a 1/4 inch of steel. That would probably be a bit much. That was kind of ugly. I guess it'd help if I tighten the table down. That's that. I think the best way to do this is I'm going to weld these two together now that I've got my hole drilled in them. And then we will put it together like that. And then we'll do these welds. Then we'll have one piece, and then we can position it on this base plate. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So first, I'm trying to decide if I need to do like a, you know what, I'm just gonna do MIG, and it's just gonna be not even flux core. I'm just gonna I have a bottle of carbon dioxide in there, so I'm just gonna wire feed this. I'll tack these two and then wire feed it on both sides. So let's get set up for that. Holy fuck, guys. So, let me give you some backstory. We cut last time. I was hooking up my welder to weld these pieces together. And when I pulled the trigger, it would run, but if I tried to weld, it would just shut off. But the weird thing was is it wouldn't pop the breaker. So I was like, what the fuck? Pulled the outlet over there apart. I don't know if you know, you can see how that's all melted. And this one was the red side of the 220. So it never fucking ends, man. Anyway, so I just replaced it. Looks like it's working. God, you know, whoever installed that was a fucking idiot. And by the way, it was me that installed it. I chopped the wires like exactly the length they needed to be to go into into this outlet, instead of leaving myself some room like a fucking idiot. I won't do that anymore. But anyway, we're all ready to go. So let's start tacking this together. Alright. I tacked this side together. I did tack this side together, but it turned out they were uneven, so I had to grind it. Hopefully it's smooth sailing now that bullshit's all dealt with. I don't know how much time we'll be able to work on this today. Because it's going to rain, I don't have any covering over this, so if it starts raining I got to pack this all up and bring the steel inside. But we'll get to it. Whoa. Yep. Obviously, I'm no expert. Oh, let me get you in here. Focus, come on. Alright, so think I need to bring this wire feed up just a tad. By the way, this is just I got this before the Vulcan welders came out. This has been an awesome MIG machine. It's just this isn't the base model MIG, because it actually does MIG, where it's actual gas. But I've had zero complaints. It works just fine. I picked it up off of a local ad for like, I think I talked them down to like 175. So it's been definitely worth it. Alright guys, I think that's all I'm going to do. I don't see the need to weld the whole thing. So this was my first one, and it's just small and wimpy. There's not enough wire was being fed. And then this kind of fucking blows right through here, because was coming through here and I heard a pop on the other side, and one of my tacks on this side had popped, so I had to, you know, I shouldn't have been welding all on the same time, on the same side at the same time. I should have been flipping back and forth, but I'm a fucking idiot. This is how we learn stuff. So I think the next thing probably that guy. Let's do that. Really square, so it's actually going to work just fine. She's getting toasty. So you put the nuts on for the stop. Here's actually what I need to do. Make sure. By the way, these are galvanized nuts and bolts, so I shouldn't be doing this. I did it. I burned through it. No, I didn't. Even though that worked, I don't know, that was pretty sketchy. That just about blew through the thread for sure. And it's ugly. So I think for all my fittings from now on I need to actually TIG them on. So let's go switch machines.